touching them where you shouldn't at school. With God on your side, you think you got the right to feel and steal. In the shadows with no bright eyes, you found it safe to throw off your disguise. With dark color on the ground, they scream without a sound whilst the sweat falls on your head. You're going to confess what you have done, saying, "Oh Father," and then it's done. You got them off their guard again. You got them off their guard, and now you've stolen everything they know. You promised them an eternity in hell if they run from the shadow and ring the alarm bell. Low tears roll down their face. In their heart they'll find a place to wipe clean the images they've seen.